Okay, so this one starts with a toilet paper tube just right off the bat, as most TikToks do.
There's a lot of malarkey going on TikTok. Today we're going to see which photo hacks work and which ones don't. Okay.
Okay, so she's got like a red light. Okay, I see.
That's interesting.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. She's a way better model than I'm gonna be.
This one is gonna be hard if you're a bidet family.
We'll toss our camera on a tripod and use the built-in interval timer to fire off shots while Rachel poses.
We need to block out as much ambient light as possible so our flashlight will show up well.
We also want to add some red light in like CGZ did in that TikTok we just watched.
The longer the tube, the smaller your circle of light will be.
I feel like I'm cutting light.
This isn't turning out exactly how we wanted. The background isn't right and there's still too much ambient light.
Okay, now the sun is set and we have a nice white wall to shoot in front of.
All right, this is working out a lot better.
Except for that tuft of hair Daniel didn't tell me was sticking up.
How about a shot without the red light?
Okay, so a mirror.
We like mirrors. That's kind of creative.
I don't see that one working very well.
Try it.
Okay.
For this one, you're gonna need to be married.
And you're gonna want to clean the smudges off the mirror and laptop screen.
And you'll want a lot of light.
We have a 100mm macro at f/18, a 35mm at f/5, and a 50mm at f/14.
All in all, they're not the best product shots, but they're passable for your own online shop.
Ice in a bucket and then put your product to the side.
What is she putting that on?
Top of the product a little bit and then spray it with some
Just
water.
color underneath it.
You're gonna put plastic over your lens and take the photo. Look at the water droplets.
Okay, so she actually froze like a thing in a bucket.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah, and then it was like in a tray.
That's pretty clever.
Okay, well we don't have a bucket, so we'll have to get creative.
So no bucket, but we'll put crushed ice on a white foam core underneath the product. On a macro, I don't know if you'll see it or not, but...
We don't think you'll even see the bag since we're sticking with a 100mm lens.
We'll toss in a blue light, but it looks a little weird, so we'll just Photoshop the ice to be blue instead.
Want to take pictures like this but don't have any expensive prisms?
Shooting with a really
just
long
grab
lens.
your phone and switch it to the
Prisms
alt
aren't
position.
expensive,
Then
just so
just
you know.
place your phone under your lens and slowly move it back and forth. Experiment with the different angles, but when you get it, it'll look like this, or even this.
Okay.
Okay.
Seems,
Prism hack.
Yeah, seems easy enough.
You can do that.
These twinkle lights will give us something to reflect into our lens.
We like it best with the phone screen mostly bright white, but you can leave it off too.
Want to know how to take incredible shots like this? First, you're going to want to grab a string or some kind of lacy material or anything pretty much with holes in it. Then get a flashlight and shine it through the holes. You can control the size of the shadows by changing how far away you hold the flashlight.
Well, my mag light's been out of batteries for about
exactly
10 years,
the result
so
should look like this.
you might have to try it with an iPhone.
Yeah, we could use our phone flashlights, see how that works.
All right, let's do it.
Well, this one sure is a doozy. You're gonna need at least 3 arms for this.
The phone flashlight is really not powerful enough for this to work, at least during daylight.
So after a quick errand for some C batteries and the sun lower in the sky, we are in business.
Still could use that third arm though.
So there you have it. A lot of these photo hacks actually worked.
Try them out if you want, and follow us old timers on TikTok if that's your thing.
And like, subscribe, comment something nice, turn on our notification bell, and watch every single video we post after this one.